mad at me?
Yes.
Habang naperkat ia kalawai
Outside the
ialah dia pada susan air cho bên cao thăm hai ngã marway tăng mà phía ngã
Hello, what's up everyone? Welcome back all. And today we are going to check IAID Ki por SNGI by the best and the legend and the favorite
Iconic
and the most famous and the best singer.
and the
If
boss.
someone asks you who is the best singer
I would say
or who is among the best singer in Meghalaya, say Ram Suchiang. This is first. Second, you know who?
Twinkle.
Twinkle, she's also a good singer. She's a female. We reacted before. I don't know. Twinkle, is she the singer for the O Rose, guys? Let me know. I reacted to O Rose before, and she was there, right? So we are going to check out. This is Gabs Gabi, and welcome.
Myself, Samsona.
Yeah. Without wasting time, make sure subscribe, guys. Put on the notification bell so that you get our regular Meghalaya or Khasi music reaction. Let's go. Is here so John. Yes, sir. I'm Suchiang. Well, my idea. Chelsea fan. I don't support Man United. I'm Suchiang. I don't support Man United.
IAID Ki por Shillong para loka dayay
Long para long.
ngapte bale sayang nakune chue chong ayap hitang halade
Api kremne yadukana ngadaya beja barasikata Jomba surjong pikipa Bidaya cimutkum hari klau Yado rochonga happy garden Melabat singa ay pusan
Nagwabanim tang hajang pasne Kiwan pau hanga hakasangin
See us out. We're about to go to the city. Wow, yes, sir. It's still outside. This is Meghalaya. Then the city, get the car. Oh, here's the same hotel. You mad at me?
Yes.
habang naperkat ia kalawai
Outside the
ialah dia pada susan air cho bên cao thăm hai ngã marway tăng mà phía ngã học thầy
hang nga siyang yaka Jit ka kta si sayanga Akiklor ki jahabat tapun Jigay hanga karang yasno Yado rochonga happy garden Melabat singa ay pusan
Nagwabalim tang hajang pasne
almost give me money, but you
Kiwan pau hanga hakasangin
sure you know.
IAID Ki por Shillong para loka dayay
Long para long.
ngapte bale sayang nakune chue
가던 밀라바스니 나의 부산
Lúc qua ba niềm tăng hát trong post nè Kiểu ăn bao hàng hát cái sân nè
My favorite Kenyahan is the ends or from young to late.
Guys, I just want to know, like, is this Ram Sachian? Because so many people they are saying he's a best singer, that he's a very good singer, but I don't know him like physically. I don't know if this guy is actor or maybe he's the one. I think, right?
Yeah, he's the one.
He's the one.
He's the one.
That lady, I know her already, guys. The music is nice, but there is no subtitle. But from the expression, from the vibe,
The feelings, everything you can understand.
you can get it, right? This is
Yeah,
a love
it's a
song
love song.
and emotional song, expression song, falling and unfalling, breaking and unbreaking. Yes,
What
sir.
else?
What else? Yeah,
Nothing.
just tell us one doubt, guys. Is he Ram Sechan or no? Thank you so much. Make sure subscribe, stay tuned. Love from Africa. Peace out.